Hey, this is Mike with Smokin and Drinkin, and today we're going to do a Papa Murphy's Cowboy pizza on the Traeger. We're going to add a little bit of secret, a little bit of the Traeger burger rub, just to give a little extra seasoning to it. That ought to do. All right, now all we need to do is put it in the Traeger at 425 for 12 to 18 minutes. Okay, it's been 12 minutes. Let's check the Cowboy pizza and see where we're at. Oh yeah, it's ready. Oh boy, that looks good. All right, that's it for Smokin and Drinkin. Thanks for tuning in.